So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you convert your PDF file into a Word file. That's a Microsoft Word file. Very, very simple. So what you're going to do is hop on your browser, even if you're using a mobile phone, and then search this convert PDF to Word. So you're going to do it for free. So all these sponsored ones, they are running ads. They are not all for free. If someone can run an ad, it means you're going to pay at the end of the day. But you're going to use this website. I love PDF. Yeah, it's very much free. And Small PDF is also free. I don't know. I think I've used it before, but then let's use this one here. Good. So when we tap on the site, we should hop on the size like this. Yeah, and they have a lot of converters, PDF to JPEG and all that. But then we want a PDF to Word. That's what a lot of people search. So we tap on this to select a file. Then we select the file from our mobile phone or our PC. So I have this presentation topics here. So I tap on that. Good. So you just tap on the convert to Word. If you're on a mobile, you have to see this too. This is a small file, and you can see my PDF has been converted to an editable Word document. So when I download it, I put it on Word document. I can even edit it as well. So you can see presentation, and now you see it's saving as a Microsoft Word document here. So I just tap on the save to save it. On a mobile phone, you have to download it yourself, and you can see I have a Word file now. I don't have Microsoft Word on this side of the PC, so I can't open it. But you can see here, change to a .docs file. So if you're new here, give me a like. I have a lot of tutorials. You can check them out on the channel. Once again, peace.